How to fix Instagram feed not refreshing on Android or iOS phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix this problem easy and quick. First open Play Store and here maybe you'll find update, and if you found it just click on it and then your problem must be fixed. And if that doesn't fix your problem and you have an Android phone, go to settings, make sure power saving mode is disabled, go to apps again, type here Instagram and click on it. Now go to storage, clear cache, and then just go back and your problem must be fixed. And if you have an iPhone, just restart your phone and try again, and if that doesn't fix it, just uninstall it and install it again. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like, and see you in the next video.